There's a mermaid. But
There's a mermaid?
yes.
Okay.
And he put the water and he didn't look. Hi guys.
How are you? Hello everyone! Welcome to my vlog. Ngayon guys, we have guest. Ayan, may guest tayo din. Kasi ngayon guys, last day of Ramadan.
You look like this to me.
Kaya si Abu Malik walang pasok. So ngayon, walang may maghatid sa akin.
Nice,
Si
Malik?
Kaya ayan,
Nice,
dala
kamu dosa?
namin. Hatid nila ako sa trabaho, kaya nandito siya. Ayan o, doon sa likod. Nakatayo doon sa likod. Buti nga ngayon kasi magstay na siya doon sa likod. Dati hindi. Pangalawang sakay niya na to na doon siya. Ngayon pumayag. Kaya ayun, mahatid nila ako. Kasi dati ayaw niya talaga dyan mag-ano sa likod. Kaya ayan. Hi, Malik. Say hi guys. Bibi. Say hi guys na.
Daddy's looking for me. I'm smelling the car. It's good.
It's good?
Okay.
Yes.
O di, say hi guys na, Bi.
Hi guys.
Welcome.
Welcome to channel.
Welcome to my channel and
Welcome my subscribe.
like and subscribe. Kaya ayan guys. Ginising ko lang yan kasi.
When so lucky Steven's house and when he opened he's scared.
Okay, scared. Steven scared.
And there's a mermaid. But
There's a mermaid.
yes.
Okay.
And he put the water and he didn't look.
Ako, alibay pa yan.
This is Marian school.
You should hold. Okay.
This is Marian school. There. I saw it.
Marian school is Marian. It's not here in the Philippines. Namatay ng papa.
He's not there, he's there in the school.
Ayan guys, ngayon last day na ng fasting natin ng Ramadan. Bukas is Eid na. Kaya matapos na, makatulog na ng mahimbing guys. Wala nang puyatan. Kaya ito naman, papunta na namang trabaho. Akala nga namin ngayon na yung Eid, pero hindi, bukas pa pala. Kaya ayan. Ngayon, mamaya, yung menu natin guys is
Great!
Crane, yeah.
baka mag-prito na lang kami ng
I was
isda.
throwing with my
Kasi
finger.
nakakamiss na yung isda guys.
Yeah.
Kaya hindi ko pa alam kung tingnan na lang mamaya kasi dami pang may bechamel pa ako doon, ang dami kalahat. Hindi pa nga nakalahat.
Oh, look!
Ah, hold it, okay?
Hindi ko lang alam kung ano mamayang lulutuin. Pero may pagkain pa naman. Kaya ayan. Sa mga hindi pa po pala nakapag-subscribe, please subscribe and don't forget to like, comment, and share and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong videos namin guys. At shout out nga din pala sa mga bagong subscribers ko at sa mga walang sawang sumusuporta sa mga videos ko. Maraming salamat guys. And shout out din sa mga sa Team Lovers. Shout out sa inyo lahat dyan guys. Si Founder Akikuku and 88 OLM, ayan. Shout out sa inyong dalawa. Inay ng tahanan and haligi ng tahanan.
Why you want to stop?
Let's read them, Malik.
Ilaw ng tahanan and
Sweat?
ilaw ng tahanan and haligi ng tahanan. Stop.
There's a yellow crane and with a green a dump truck crane. Look!
Another crane, crane now.
Yes!
There's two cranes.
Two cranes, look, two cranes.
How many cranes?
When I saw a green in the back and a green dot, a wrong, and that green in the back, and up like this. There, with the beside.
Okay.
There. What's that? That's not a crane.
I don't know what is that.
Maybe it's a dump truck crane.
It's a dump truck.
Yes.
Yeah, there's a dump truck crane.
I think someone put that green in here, and I think I don't like that green crane.
Why?
But it's too different like that crane.
Ewan ko sa iyo, Malik. Grabe ba? Dami na talagang alam si Malik. Ano na talaga siya mag-English, guys.
A big crane?
Magaling pa siya mag-English sa akin eh. Yung English ko kinamatis eh.
There's more red here.
Yeah, because that it's stoplight.
Red.
Yeah, red is stop.
Green is good.
Green is
Go. Yellow?
yellow.
Danger.
Danger.
Yes!
Danger.
A plane!
Wow, it's a plane. That is an Emirates airplane.
I told you.
I told you.
A minor plate can make the wheel.
Ayan na, it's green na.
Green!
Yellow
Green
na.
must go.
Yellow.
Yellow must danger.
Hold the one.
I'm okay.
Hold the one.
Ay na lang, wala amado. 8:30 na. I'm too much late.
Also me.
What?
Me.
Also me.
Is this for camels?
No, there's no camel. We go in zoo. Abdalia, Thursday.
We are inshallah.
This is a zoo?
No, there's no
No,
zoo.
not sure about this.
On which zoo?
Thursday because tomorrow Wednesday, first day of Eid.
Yeah.
So
Is it-
Thursday.
Now we go to zoo?
Huh?
We're going to zoo?
Daddy, tell daddy.
Daddy, are we going to zoo?
Then when we go in Abdalino in the road, there's a camel, right? Do you remember before?
Daddy?
So we can stop and show
Show
Malik.
him,
Daddy,
Yeah, wow.
you need to give them a ticket first.
Yeah, take it first.
And that man, why did you give him a ticket?
Okay, we book ticket first, okay?
What?
We
Ticket
book
for what?
ticket to entrance.
Go there, Daddy.
But
Padre.
I think there's no entrance. Before, no? Babdokala, no entrance.
Babdakala? No, no.
There's no entrance.
Only they have zoo? What's that? More leaves.
What is that? It's a car tank. Ang tawag sa naman?
No,
This is for
Tank, yeah.
fuel,
car
yeah.
tank.
Fuel tank.
See, what is that?
Fuel tank, Yamal.
Am I a good driver?
it's a snake. A snake is a dump truck snake.
This is not a dump truck. It's foil. What this one? Fuel. Sorry.
Fuel.
Yes.
Truck. Fuel truck.
Fuel tank is the really like our car. And it's bigger like our car. And
Yeah.
it's so giant and it's so big. And,
Kaya ngayon guys, mahaba siguro tong video natin kasi
and he can slime inside it and like snake slime and put
okay, just hold, okay? You should hold always. Mababa tong video natin guys kasi madaldal tong isa. Kaya ayan. Ayan, malapit na kami sa trabaho ko guys. Kaya hanggang dito na lang yung video ko. At see you in the afternoon guys.
Mama, I saw vehicles that way.
Okay. See you in the afternoon guys. Ayan guys, nandito na tayo sa bahay at kararating ko lang. Pumunta agad ako sa kusina kasi Hindi nagpalabas ng ng isda si Abu Malik. Gusto ko kasi kumain ng pritong isda. Kaya ayan, nagpalabas ako. Kanilagay ko sa tubig para mabilis matunaw yung ice. Ayan na guys. Ayan, kaya abangan nyo mamaya ang pagluluto natin guys. Samahan nyo ako. Ayan na guys, nagprito na tayo ng tilapia. Ayan. Ayan guys, nandyan na ang pagkain natin mamaya para sa iftar guys. Kaya ayan. Ayan, nagprito lang ako ng tilapia guys kasi meron naman kaming bechamel. Tsaka kung gusto kanin, may kanin din. Kaya ayan. Dahil malapit na yung kainan guys, kaya hanggang dito na lang yung video natin. At maraming salamat sa inyo sa mga walang sawang sumusuporta sa mga videos ko. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much. Bye!